Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to go over what we picked up from, or what we left off from yesterday, actually storing this new number of 100 here. So we can do that by doing this. We'll say favorites contract.store. We're going to pass in the new number we want to store, which is 100. We're going to say favorite number updated equals favorites contract.retrieve. We're going to retrieve the new number we just stored. And this is how we stored a few. This is how we stored a new favorite number and then stored it in a new variable called favorites number updated. Then we printed out the new favorites number using a print statement and an F string, and the variable is stored in, which is favorite number updated. Now this is the output we got back after successfully running our script. You can see how our favorite number is 33. Then we actually broadcasted a transaction, and then we have a new output of 100. Notice that this time we got back a transaction stamp, which is a TX broadcasted with our return favorite number. This is because we had to use the store function to update our favorite number, which is a transaction, and gets broadcasted as one. Also notice that this time our favorite number printed out is 33, which was the previous updated number, and ends with 100, which is our new updated number. For this point, when we run our script again, we would see that our favorite number is 100 and our updated number is 100. Basically, every time we interact with the contract, it's going to pull up the latest number that we stored. And since 100 will be the latest number that we store, it'll just keep pulling up 100 until we change it or updated it again. I think tomorrow we're going to actually run the contract because we're all far enough so we can run it. You should understand everything that's going on, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.